In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a transparent background image in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is perfect when you want your text to stand out while still keeping a background image visible and on brand. Start by opening PowerPoint and navigating to the slide where you want the transparent background. If you already have content on the slide, that's fine. We'll place the image behind it in a moment. Next, insert your image. Go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and choose the file you want. When it appears, resize it so it fills the entire slide. Drag the corner handles to scale and try not to stretch or squash it. Position the most important part of the image where it won't compete with your text. Click the image to select it, then go to the Picture Format tab. In the Adjust group, click Transparency. You'll see several preset levels. Hover to preview each one, then click the option that gives you a subtle, readable result. If you want more control, click Picture Transparency Options at the bottom of that menu. The Format Picture pane opens on the right. Use the transparency slider to fine-tune the effect until your text and icons stay clear while the image adds gentle visual interest. Often, a light to medium transparency works best. Now check readability. If your text looks faint against the image, try darkening or lightening the font color, increasing font weight, or placing a simple shape behind key text to boost contrast. A soft rectangle with no outline can make titles much easier to read. To keep the picture in the background, right-click the image and choose Send to Back. That places it behind your text and other objects so your content stays on top while you continue editing. And that's it. You've set a transparent background image in PowerPoint, giving your slide a clean, professional look without distracting from your message. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching.